God is the inventor, originator, the ever-living, the sustainer, and the self-subsisting. The originator, the first-time creator of life who creates things out of nothing. He does not need any raw material, labor, capital, etc. to create anything. Humans use pre-existing materials, whereas God does not need any raw materials. He creates out of nothingness. Originator of the heavens and the earth. When he decrees a matter, he only says to it, "Be," and it is. Quran 2:117. The one who started life and provided the earth with the elements necessary for the existence and survival of life. He made this world habitable and suitable for all living beings by creating perfect living conditions, systems, and laws that govern this universe. For example, you cannot get a mango from a tree if you have sown the seed of an apple. The original coding and program of all living beings are designed by God, yet we can replicate his programming and codes using the raw materials provided by him. He is creator of the heavens and the earth. He has made for you from yourselves mates, and among the cattle mates. He multiplies you thereby. There is nothing like unto him, and he is the hearing, the seeing. Quran 42:11. In the Holy Quran, the following words and terms have also been used for God. 1. Al-Bari, the inventor, from the root br, which has the following classical Arabic connotations: to create, to form, out of nothing. He is Allah, the creator, the inventor, the fashioner. To him belong the best names. Quran 59:24-2. Al-Badi, the originator, from the root bd, which has the following classical Arabic connotations: to introduce, originate, start, to create for the first time, and to make a thing without copying a sample. Say, are there of your partners any who begins creation and then repeats it? Say, Allah begins creation and then repeats it. So how are you deluded? Quran 10:34. Is he not best, who begins creation and then repeats it, and who provides for you from the heaven and earth? Is there a deity with Allah? Say, produce your proof if you should be truthful. Quran 27:64.
Al-Hayyu,
the ever-living, and rely upon the ever-living who does not die, and exalt Allah with his praise. Quran 25:58-4. Al-Qayyum, the sustainer, the self-subsisting. Allah, there is no deity except him, the ever-living, the sustainer of all existence. Neither drowsiness overtakes him nor sleep. Quran 2:255. Say, O Prophet, they will be revived by the one who produced them the first time, for he has knowledge of every created being. Quran 36:79. Vision perceives him not, but he perceives all vision, and he is the subtle, the acquainted. Quran 6:103. Say, he is Allah, who is one, Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to him any equivalent. Quran 112.